What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, don't go too soon. Press the subscribe button and continue to check me out. If you're returning, thank you for the support. This is a basic sew-in tutorial. I've already went ahead and did the foundation, so if you would like a tutorial on that, just leave a comment below and let me know. All my sewing services include a wash, blow dry, of course a foundation install, and a press. My client here likes a little more hair out than usual, so that's why you see that. But basically me just going through installing the bundles and doing a press and blending. My first bundle I always double the weft, my second bundle I double the weft, and then my very last bundle I install single weft. So continue to watch the video. I'm not going to talk too much, but I hope you enjoy. I just want to mention I always use my flip method on my first two bundles and majority of my last bundle. This is definitely going to allow the client to use the bundles longer. This is actually our second install with these bundles. So the more you cut up, the more it's just a hot mess for the client, okay? And then a hot mess for you if you got to do it again. So flip method is definitely what you want to use. It keeps the length of the bundle itself and lets them use it longer. Y'all will see her move her hair a lot, okay? It's not because I'm hurting her, it's because we have really good conversation. Me and my clients have really good conversations. I love them, but they just be moving their head so much. right now I'm using my BabyLiss Titanium Nano flat iron. Really, really good investment if you do not have one. Really good flat iron if you are looking for a good flat iron, not only for weave installs, but for natural hair too. Before blow drying her hair, I did put in a heat protectant. So if you did not do that at that point, this is where you should put the heat protectant in before putting that flat iron to your client's hair. Look at that beautiful blend. Nice and shiny. That's silk pressed. Okay? Take your time when you are doing your sewings to make sure it's as flat and as neat as possible for your client. My client does not like, she does not like edge control, y'all. She hates it. She just wants me to put hairspray on it and let her go about her day. But I hope you guys learned from the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Look at her. She's so cute.